Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Wayfarer Ray-Ban stories. Now basically this is a collaboration between Facebook and Ray-Ban on a pair of smart sunglasses. Inside of the box we will find a charging case, a Type-C cable which is Type-C on both sides, and the usual paperwork. Inside of the charging case we have the sunglasses itself, and as you can see here these are kinda normal looking Ray-Bans, but they have two cameras, one on the right side and one on the left side. Here the sides of the sunglasses might look a little bit thick, but it's due to the fact that they have cameras there. Here in the charging case, as we can see here, we need to put sunglasses in the position like this in order to charge them. So this was the video guys, thank you so much for watching, I will see you on the next one.